It's easy to keep your iPhone up to date with the latest features and security enhancements. We'll walk you through how to update your device wirelessly and how to update it using your computer. Before you start, make sure you back up your device, connect it to a power source, and connect it to the internet. We'll start by showing you how to update your iPhone wirelessly. When there's an update available, you may receive a notification, which you can tap to start the update process. Or a badge may appear on the Settings app icon on your home screen. To check for an update, open Settings and tap the Software Update Available alert. Or you can tap General and then tap Software Update. If you have automatic updates enabled, when a new version of iOS is available, your iPhone will download and install it overnight while connected to Wi-Fi. Or you can install updates manually. You may be able to choose from two available versions. You can update your current version of iOS with important security updates, or you can upgrade to the newest available version of iOS to enjoy the latest features, enhancements, and more. For either option, you can tap Update Tonight if you want to wait until later, and your iPhone will update overnight while it's locked, connected to Wi-Fi, and the battery is sufficiently charged. Or to update straight away, tap Update Now. Then enter your passcode. Follow any other prompts, which may include reviewing and accepting the terms and conditions, to continue. Your iPhone will begin the update process, and once it's finished, your iPhone will restart. Now we'll show you how to update your iPhone using your computer. Before starting the update, make sure your device is connected to a computer with a compatible cable, and that the computer is connected to the internet. You may also need to allow your Mac to connect to your iPhone and install an update. If you're using a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, use the Finder. If you're using a PC, use the Apple Devices app. If your PC doesn't have the Apple Devices app, or your Mac is using macOS Mojave or earlier, use iTunes instead. In the Finder, click your iPhone in the sidebar to select it. Then click Update. Click Update again, then follow the prompts, which may include reviewing and accepting the terms and conditions to continue. Your iPhone will restart once this is finished. Now you know how to keep your iPhone up to date and can enjoy the latest features. Some sequences in this video were shortened.